actually found a hatch that allows us to get 4 floors below where we're standing right now. So we're going to take the Roto-Rooter cam, send it down, try to make sure it's safe. Andy wants to go down there and set up a camera because there's been some stories that a couple people lost their lives down there.
It's a gateway to hell. All right, well, let's plug this sucker in and check it out.
All right.
Down there.
We use the Roto-Rooter camera to find breaks and drain lines, but we found that it comes in pretty handy on paranormal investigations as well.
Ready?
This is supposed to drop straight down through all of the decks of the ship. It's quite possible that it hasn't had anyone down there in years and years and years and years.
Oh, this is great. This is awesome.
Really not much to see. You got a door that you're gonna have to go through.
Where's the door?
It's off to the right.
Okay.
All right, want to pull this thing up and get him down there? So why don't you go get your camera and stuff?
All right, awesome.